Hi, I'm Sam from I Love Jeans, and I'm going to show you exactly how to measure your favourite jeans so you can buy clever and savvy in the sale. So we've laid out favourite jeans on a flat surface, and we're now going to take the measurement of the front rise. We're going to start with the crotch here, which is where all the seams cross over. We're going to take our measuring tape and measure right on the crotch all the way up to the top of the jean. So it measures 10 inches. So my favourite jeans front rise is 10 inches. So the next step is to take our tape measure and to measure our inseam. So this is our leg length. So we've got our tape measure, we're putting it on the crotch seam, and we're going to take the tape measure all the way down to the bottom of the hem. And this will give us the length that we like our favourite jeans to be. The next measurements we're going to take is the leg opening, which is an important measurement if you want to know whether your boots will be able to tuck into your jeans. So we take our tape measure, and we start at the end of the hem, and we go all the way across. So that's 5 inches, but we really want to take the measurement all the way around. So we know 5 inches, and from the other side will also be 5 inches, so the inside. Okay, so I flipped the jeans over because I want to take the bottom rise, back rise measurement. So I'm looking for the crotch seam here, which is there. Take my tape measure and I hold it there. And again, I go all the way up to the back of the jean, which gives me a measurement of 13. Now this is quite important for women. If you don't like to have the back of your jeans low, you don't want to show any underwear. And that's it. That's just how you use your favourite jeans as a template to buy your new jeans online. If you like my how-to, then please leave me a message and tell me what you'd like to see next.